Good afternoon and welcome to Coyote Classics. Today we have a special treat for you. This is one of my favorite Camaros we've ever had come to the dealership. It's a 1968 Camaro Super Sport with its numbers matching big block 396. And what a car. Over the top, restoration, Rotisserie Restored, and a car you don't find very often, numbers matching big block 396 Camaro.
I'll tell you what, the sound of the exhaust is thrilling, isn't it?
It is.
I hope it sounds great inside the car too. I hope it sounded as good out here. Look at that.
They did a fantastic job on the restoration. You can tell when you look at the floors, it was a Rotisserie Restored car, custom built rear end. Steering, brakes, and it runs and drives fantastic. But
the car just basically speaks for itself. It's one of those cars that, Dalton, that they have to actually come and see for themselves in person just to appreciate it. You really do.
Yep.
And then just, hit the steering wheel, shut the door. It's just one of those kind of cars.
Very quality.
Yeah, underneath real quick, can I?
Yes.
I was the one who took the pictures underneath. It was just absolutely phenomenal under there, all painted beautiful black. And just look at the steering sector and just stuff like that. You see all the bolts and the couplers and just the way things were done. It was done very, very professionally. I'm sure you got all the COWL tag information on there as well, Dal. It's an F2 paint.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to show them as long as you can see the VIN number matching here, D, right here. I don't know if they can see it in the picture, but it's a MY code, 3 1/4 horse, and then there's your VIN number.
And we can get you pictures of that if you request, but it is original numbers matching motor and a beautiful build. Seems like you'll see a lot of Camaros, Super Sports with the 350s, but I don't think we've had a...
and as a 350 without a build sheet, you can't even prove it's a real Super Sport.
Yeah.
At least this one with the numbers matching 396. I mean, you pretty much say it came from the factory with a Super Sport option.
Yeah, and I love the 68s and the stripe packages they had. Front end is beautiful on it. Looks like all new grille, new bumpers. Front valance looks excellent. Hood fits really nicely there. And I love the color on this. It was repainted to its factory island teal, which is a great color I hadn't seen on many Camaros before.
I know, and it was factory with a black vinyl top as well. It was F2. So, and this black vinyl top is absolutely gorgeous. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues.
It's got the Super Sport hood, and I liked the choice of rims on this. And rims are something, if the next guy wants to change, they can, but I think it fits perfect with the black vinyl top and the black Super Sport stripes. Those wheels just really set it off.
I would
Great
agree.
stance.
I was just going to say the same thing.
Beautiful on the paint. Looks great down low here as well.
Island teal. What a gorgeous color. And just check out how that door fits. I mean, you're not going to get one to fit any better than that. The line lines up beautifully as well. As long as you're right there, let's just show the corner here. Corner of the door is excellent, which doesn't surprise me. The rest of the car is super solid. And when they did the interior, I mean, they just didn't redo it. They frickin' did it to perfection.
Yeah.
Very, very high standard, didn't they?
Okay, but I like that they did it back to, they didn't add any goofy touches, just very nice back to stock. Headliner's excellent, dome light works, back package trays, very nice. No cutouts in there, just how it should be.
If this wouldn't take a trophy at a Camaro show, then I would be damn surprised. I mean, it is super nice.
All the wood grain's great. It's got the console with all the gauges. It's got tilt wheel too, which is nice.
It is nice.
And I like the 68 steering wheel. It's got the correct steering wheel on it. Looks great on this car. Very straight up and down the sides. All the marker lights and stuff are new. Chrome exhaust tips.
We're gonna get a lot of activity on this one, D, when this one pops up in a few days.
Even down low here, that rear valance is painted, just as nice as any part of the car. Fitment's great on all the doors, all the trunk, everything lines up excellent. All new taillight trim. It's got the tail light panel painted black here, as a big block car should.
Sorry, doll.
Jam paint, they did just as nice of a job there.
Looks like we got the exact factory radio right here, the original that they took out, probably. Comes with the car. Looks like it's got a car cover as well. As we look in there, look how nice that is. Yeah. Beautiful. This and that 68 GTO convertible, they both, you know, top the cake with perfection, don't they?
Just
I don't know
quality
which
cars.
one's nicer.
I don't either. This one's pretty sharp. Driver's side just as straight. Try to get you a glimpse of that undercarriage. So, oh, new tank. You can tell they put that nice custom rear end in there. All rotisserie done. Just super sharp. Driver's door fits excellent. Vinyl top's got no issues in the vinyl top that I can see. Door handles look good. And this is such a fun car to drive. The sound and the feel and the handling of this one's, they didn't just stop at the look, you know, they carried it all the way through to the
Even
performance.
just even opening up the doors, just the click of the door. It's got the factory tack and, like you said, tilt column.
And it's so hard to find cars that are done this quality. They don't come on the market, you know, very much.
No, they don't.
Another
These are the
nice-
ones that are, you know, somebody keeps for years and years and years and just takes them out to a, I mean, this is damn near a trailer queen,
Yeah,
isn't it?
but it's too much fun to
Yeah,
just trail it around.
we're gonna drive it. Condition-wise, though, it is.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
But yeah, I don't like trailer queens anyway. All right, I like them this nice, but they need to be drove.
Yeah.
So it's got an AM/FM now, okay, and it's all stock, but it's all redone, okay.
Yeah.
So that works perfectly. Horn works, wipers work. I just
How
tried
neat though
those
that
out.
they kept the
original?
original
Yeah,
AM/FM,
it's
even though they
crazy.
replaced it with like the same thing.
Dome light works perfect. Horn works. Gas gauge works. Look at the oil pressure.
Great oil pressure. Yeah, the temp gauge working from when I did it before. Tachometer works. It's
You
got
see how
the clock
good
in
it
the
sounds inside here?
tank. Yeah, sounds
And they redid it. You can tell they put all the nice rubbers in here too. They didn't use any cheap imitation parts.
no,
either.
they didn't.
This is power steering, but it just feels so tight.
It is probably a new steering box.
Yeah,
Definitely.
everything is.
Yeah.
Remember that coupler and everything was new?
Yep.
I don't know.
Big
this might
box,
be,
we'll just
this
let it
might
warm
be
up
one of
first
my new
here.
favorite cars.
It's mine. Yeah.
What a car! Disc brakes in the front, drum in the back, brake stop nice. Just sitting here idling about 700 RPM. It's beautiful. Looks like our temp gauge is coming up too. I didn't have it in my heart to do another tire swirl in it. They don't need that. It's too nice. I just wanted to show that I could do it.
Yeah. It handles. And the suspension.
Yeah,
going
look
over
at
the
that.
bumps there.
Just get this. 3,000 RPM. I mean, that's 70 mile an hour. No vibration, no nothing. It drives perfect, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Temperature gauge is up now. On the way back, we'll just go through the gears a little
Yeah.
bit.
It's got so much pull. It's fun.
It does. I'd have to look and see what the guy said it had for gears in it, but I'm guessing it's like 373s. High-speed braking is perfect. There's down to low. We run and roll up the back windows quick or
It's,
no?
I don't think it's gonna
You're
get
all right?
much wind noise. Yeah. Just so you guys know, we got my back windows down, but
I'll roll it.
oh, you roll
I
it
got
up too.
time.
Perfect. My back
They roll
windows.
up awesome, guys.
Yeah. Seal up good.
She's 91 degrees here in Iowa today.
It's a
guys.
warm one. Yeah.
I mean, this Camaro is really just a piece of art. You know, like I said, original numbers matching car, but restored to just an art piece.
And obviously this guy built it with driving in mind, with that custom, 9-inch.
Oh yeah, yeah. Second gear scratch. That transmission's built too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just got just a real crisp shift.
This is a keeper.
It's definitely a keeper.
Check it out on our website, coyoteplastics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.